Let us see the another very important article. How to find out the Laplace transform of given periodic signal. So first let us see the formula. The Laplace transform of periodic signal, let us say f of t with the period, let us say capital T. The Laplace transform of a given periodic signal f of t with the period capital T is given by, so f of t's Laplace transform is written as f of s, so that is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus s into t into f1 of s. So remember this very important formula to find out the Laplace transform of given periodic signal. Let us see what is t and f1 of s in this formula, where capital T is equal to time period of given periodic signal, and f1 of s, another very important one. F1 of s is the Laplace transform of one cycle. Remember that this is the Laplace transform of one cycle of the given waveform. So let us see some of the working examples on this problem, on this formula. First let us see the first question. Find the Laplace transform of, let us say the question is given like this: x of t versus t. It is extending like this, a pulse which is extending from 0 to t by 2 of amplitude, let us say 1. T by 2 to t, there is no pulse. Again there is another pulse, t by 2 to 3t by 2, so on. The waveform is given like this. Find out the Laplace transform of this periodic signal. So first let us write the formula solution. Let us write the formula. What we want to find out? We want to find out the Laplace transform of x of t. So therefore the Laplace transform of x of t, since it is a periodic signal, so therefore what is the formula? 1 by 1 minus e power minus st into the Laplace transform of one cycle, let us say x1 of s or f1 of s. So here what is the time period? The time period of the given waveform is capital T. So therefore you will not change capital T because the time period is given as capital T. Just to substitute capital T here. So therefore it will become 1 minus e power minus st. So what is x1 of s? Let us see. Let us draw one cycle of the given waveform. This is the one cycle of the given waveform t by 2 t. Amplitude is 1. Let us say this is x1 of t versus t. So just to find x1 of s, so that is Laplace transform of this given this signal one cycle, and just to substitute, so that will be the answer for this problem. First let us find out the Laplace transform of x1 of t. First write the bilateral Laplace transform definition: integral minus infinity to infinity x1 of t into e power minus st into dt. So what we can write, because x1 of t is defined in the interval 0 to t, x1 of t into e power minus st into dt. But x1 of t is defined only in the interval 0 to t by 2, and t by 2 to t its value is 0. In this interval 0 to t by 2 its amplitude is 1, e power minus st into dt. So you can easily find the integral answer, minus 1 by s into e power minus st into the substitute the limits 0 to t by 2. So if you take the minus sign inside, it will become 1 by s into 1 minus e power minus st by 2. So this is nothing but as, remember that this is the Laplace of x of 1 of t, which is x1 of s. So just to substitute x1 of s in this formula, so that will be the answer for this problem. So therefore the Laplace transform of x of t, that is given periodic signal, is 1 by 1 minus e power minus st into what is x1 of s? x1 of s is 1 by s into 1 minus e power minus st by 2. So we can adjust the terms. 1 minus e power minus st by 2 by s into 1 minus e power minus st. So in this way you can find the Laplace transform of a given periodic signal. So let us see the second example of this model. Let us see the second example of this model. Let us say the waveform is given like this. The square wave is given like this. Let us say 0 x of t versus t, a, 2a, 3a, so on, of amplitude +1 and -1. Let us see how to find out the Laplace transform of this periodic signal. So first let us write the formula. Laplace transform given periodic signal x of t. What is the formula? 1 by 1 minus e power minus st into the Laplace transform of one cycle x1 of s. Here, what is the time period of the given waveform? The time period of the given waveform is 2a. Here, what is the formula? In the formula, just to substitute t is equal to capital T is equal to 2a. Since the time period of the given waveform is 2a, so therefore 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2as into x1 of s. First, let us draw the one cycle. So what is one cycle? Just to draw the one cycle. So that is x1 of t versus t. So this is one cycle. 0 a, 2a of amplitude +1 and -1. Let us find out the Laplaces of one cycle. So that is Laplace transform of x1 of t. So that is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x1 of t into e power minus st into dt. But x1 of t, one cycle is during the interval 0 to 2a, x1 of t into e power minus st into dt. So just let us split these limits 0 to a. In this interval x1 of t amplitude is 1, so therefore e power minus st dt in the interval minus a to 2a, the amplitude is -1, e power minus st into dt. So what is the answer? Let us see. Minus 1 by s into e power minus st, substitute the limits 0 to a, plus 1 by s into e power minus st, the limits are a to 2a. Now just to substitute the limits, take the minus sign inside. 1 by s into 1 minus e power minus as plus 1 by s into e power minus 2as minus e power minus as. So which is written as, if you take 1 by s as common, 1 minus 2 into e power minus as plus e power minus 2as, which can be further written as 1 minus e power minus as whole square by s. So just to substitute in the Laplace transform of periodic signal. So therefore Laplace transform of given periodic waveform x of t, what is the formula? 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2as into Laplace transform one cycle is 1 minus e power minus as whole square by s. So this can be written as further 1 by 1 minus 1 plus e power minus as into 1 minus e power minus as, let us write like this, into 1 minus e power minus as whole square by s. Let us cancel one term. So one term. So therefore this is written as 1 by s into 1 minus e power minus as by 1 plus e power minus as. So this can be further adjusted as 1 by s into e power as by 2. Multiply numerator and denominator with e power as by 2 by e power as by 2 and take it inside. So it will become e power minus as by 2 by e power as by 2 plus e power minus as by 2. So what is this? E power x minus e power minus x by e power x plus e power minus x, tan hx formula. So therefore the Laplace transform of given periodic signal x of t is written as 1 by s into tan hyperbolic what is x, as by 2. So this is the answer for this very important problem in the examination. This is how to find out the Laplace transform of given periodic signal. Thank you.